channel. This is me Shivani. So today we will explore our law department. So yeah, let's go. So this is a main entrance of our law department एंड एंटर करते ही तुम लोगों को easily लॉ के ऑफिसेस मिल जाएंगे. दिस इज़ अ लॉ ऑफिस एंड हियर ऑल्सो दिस वन इज़ अ लॉ ऑफिस. ड्यूरिंग द एडमिशन सीजन दे डू ऑल द प्रोसेस ऑफ registrations and admissions over here. The department offers a range of programs like BLLB, 5 years integrated program, LLM, Masters of Law, PhD in Law. You can also enter from back door. This is class of first and second semester. In the first semester, they start with foundational courses like pole science first, sociology, English, and law of talk. This is also an entrance point. You can enter from here too. And here we have our professors' cabins. And here we have third and fourth semester classes. In fourth semester, we have several non-law subjects like pole science 4, pole science 6, economics, and several law subjects like law of crime first and Hindu law. On the ground floor, we have only classes till fourth semester and baki classes first floor pe. On the first floor, here we have fifth and sixth semester classes, and here in that side we have also classes. डॉक्टर चिंतामणि सर जो कि अब रिटायर हो चुके हैं. On the first floor, here we have PhD classroom. So let's go inside. So this is our PhD classroom. Today very less seats for the PhD. So very less seats. We have examination hall, but I don't think यहाँ पे computer lab इसलिए लिखा गया है. Examination hall, but it's locked, so I can't make videos. So let's go out. इधर से try करते हैं. हम लोगों के पास दूसरा भी रास्ता है जो कि पीछे की तरफ से एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में जा सकते हैं. हम एग्जाम में इधर से भी एंट्री करते हैं. हम क्या दोनों साइड से लॉक है. हम कुछ टिकट करते तो आपको दिखा नहीं पाओगे. So we are now on ground floor, or this one is a back door of library, law library. लाइब्रेरी एंटर करने से पहले वी हैव टू कीप आवर बैग हियर एंड वी हैव टू साइन ओवर हियर. This law library is intellectual heart of our department. In the library, we have also a chota sa reading area. You can see here. And here we have the most exciting things where theory meets practice, the moot court hall. It was locked, so I didn't record so much. But here you can see tables and all. Now we have online classes where you can see the semesters. computer lab for PhD and LLM students. Also in department there is lab for PLLB students. So guys, here we have LLM classes, semester first and second. Let's go inside. Whiteboard. This is background. Staff room. वेले लोग कोई काम वाम नहीं है. Say hi in my video. Say hi. Hi in my video.
Hello guys, welcome back to Shivani's. And
Subscribe, like, share, comment.
and subscribe our channel.
Thank you guys. क्या तुम्हें कुछ बोलना है? डिपार्टमेंट के पास में ही वी हैव छोटू सा प्रिंटिंग शॉप जहाँ पे हम अपने सारे प्रिंटिंग्स वर्क्स करवा लेते हैं.